Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the possible chances of a market crash in 2023. As you know, the stock market is cyclical, and there will always be periods of volatility. However, some experts are warning that we could be headed for a major crash in the near future. In this video, I'm going to discuss some of the factors that could contribute to a market crash, as well as the different opinions on the likelihood of one happening. The factors that could contribute to a market crash. There are a number of factors that could contribute to a market crash, including the Federal Reserve's aggressive interest rate hikes. The Federal Reserve is raising interest rates in an effort to cool inflation. However, this could also slow economic growth and lead to a recession. The war in Ukraine. The war in Ukraine is disrupting global supply chains and causing uncertainty in the markets. This could lead to a slowdown in economic activity and a decline in corporate earnings. The high level of debt. Many businesses and households are carrying a high level of debt. This makes them more vulnerable to a downturn in the economy. The overvaluation of stocks. Some experts believe that stocks are currently overvalued. This means that they are priced too high relative to their underlying fundamentals. Different opinions on the likelihood of a market crash. There is no consensus among experts on the likelihood of a market crash in 2023. Some experts believe that it is a real possibility, while others believe that it is unlikely. Here are some of the different opinions on the likelihood of a market crash. Jeremy Grantham, co-founder of GMO. Grantham is a well-known investor who has been warning about the possibility of a market crash for several years. He believes that there is a 70% chance of a crash in the next few years. Ed Yardeni, president of Yardeni Research. Yardeni is a more optimistic analyst. He believes that the odds of a crash are only about 30%. Michael Wilson, chief U.S. equity strategist at Morgan Stanley. Wilson believes that the market is overvalued, but he does not believe that a crash is imminent. He believes that the market could correct by 10 to 15%, but he does not think that it will go into a full-blown crash. What you can do to prepare for a market crash. If you are concerned about the possibility of a market crash, there are a few things you can do to prepare. Have a diversified portfolio. This means investing in a variety of different assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This will help to reduce your risk if one asset class declines in value. Have an emergency fund. This is money that you set aside for unexpected expenses. This will help you to avoid having to sell your investments during a market downturn. Don't panic. If the market does crash, it is important to stay calm and avoid making rash decisions. Remember that the market has historically recovered from even the most severe crashes. So, what is the likelihood of a market crash in 2023? It is impossible to say for sure. However, it is important to be aware of the factors that could contribute to a crash and to take steps to prepare for one. Thank you for watching.